My research has evolved over the years. I started working on cereals, maize, sorghum, and millet, and then I went on to work on a number of other crops like cowpea, like bambara granules, tomato. Because I have a big group, I work on every crop that my group members work on. The yields in farmers' fields are too low for Africa, and we've been trying to build resilience into African crops so they are disease resistant, they are pest resistant, and they are high yielding. So for maize, we are trying to develop some hybrid maize varieties that are very high yielding. I've grown in the academia over 30 years. The urgent challenge is attracting and retaining quality scientists in Africa for Africa. Has been big funding for the research, has been challenging, and also getting the private sector to partner with us. In the past, a number of Africans have gone abroad to study. Only about 5 to 10% return home, which is a big challenge to us. And so for me, addressing the brain drain is one of my key areas that I try to focus on, trying to excite Africans to, even if they went abroad, come back home and then contribute. And of course, we have to build more centers of excellence so people will find what they want in their home institutions. I was invited, I saw the title, and I thought that was very great because, of course, we haven't collaborated with cell biologists in a long time, and the topic, integrated cells and planetary skills to address climate resilience, I thought was a cool topic, and collaborations amongst the disciplines is very, very important for developing crops efficiently and effectively for Africa. And so I thought it was going to be a good platform for new partnerships. I had to learn because, of course, I haven't been in the science. In fact, meetings for a very long time. I think about building institutions. So coming here, I've learned a lot in the area of cell biology, synthetic biology. I believe all contribute to knowledge which is very important for collaborations, because before you collaborate with a cell biologist, you have to understand what they do. And so it's giving me the platform to understand them better.